Today I'm going to show you how to private lock or hide any photo, video and file. Simply you just open your gallery apps, okay, and you just select any photo or video. Just select, long press to select, press on more, and as you can see showing it to move to secure folder. Press on to settings and enter pin, password or pattern. Okay, click on to confirm, press on done, press on to continue. Now creating secure folder. Now successfully set up my secure folder. Press on next. Press on done. And now move item to secure folder. Showing it to secure folder. Just check in, showing it to this photo.